you have gone down here 75 years ago, you've probably seen rail flying around. Rail used to be rampant down here.
The Ridgway's rail is an endangered species. It lives in the marshes of San Francisco Bay. It has striations, like stripes on its body going in different directions in hues of brown and gray tones, and it hides marvelously well. So the bird can actually be right tucked inside the edge of the marsh and you wouldn't see it. The Ridgway's rail is sort of the icon of the salt marsh because it is the endangered species that is only found in those salt marshes. Historically, San Francisco Bay had a lot of tidal salt marsh habitat, and that was a habitat type that when the settlers came here, they were like, what is this swampland? Let's fill it up. And so in a very short period of time, like within the last 100 years, we've lost 90% of the habitat for the Ridgway's rail because so many of those marshlands were drained and filled.
If you look at a map of what kind of marsh we used to have in the Bay Area, it's just amazing how much has disappeared. And because it lives in the marsh, it disappears with the marsh disappearing. So that's basically it. I don't think that we're going to have it down here in 50 years if something isn't done. I'm pretty sure about that.
I think the first thing is really for the community to have a sense of what does it want to be? What kind of community does it want to be? Does it want to have a whole glass wall on the waterfront blocking everybody else's visibility except for the wealthy folks who can live right on the edge of the bay? Do they want that? Or do they want a community where the community is tied to being able to recreate along the bay and also to help take care of the bay? And the city needs to make those decisions and really think conscientiously, because once you wipe it out, it is not so easy to bring it back. Once you turn it into concrete, it's gone. And it's more critical for wildlife because they can't go live in a suburban complex. They can't go move to Stockton. You know, it's not going to happen. So they're either going to live here with us and beside us and inspire us and delight us, or they're not going to survive at all. And then it's going to be on us.